everyone, this is Zilkan Kabwala. New Year is right at the corner, and before it arrives, it's important for us to be prepared. New Year is all about setting New Year's goals, setting New Year's resolution, thinking about action steps on how you'll be accomplishing those goals. And to do that, you'll definitely need a planner. Honestly, planning has always been a crucial part of my life. I love setting goals. I like creating to-do lists as well as checking them off. If you see, how to set goal was one of the first video I ever created for this channel. And with planning, this year I also developed a habit of journaling. Now, having two separate books for planning and journaling was kind of getting hard. So this year, I decided to do it differently. There were quite a requirements. And to make sure that I meet all my needs, I decided to create my own journal plus planner. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the thought process of creating your own journal plus planner. I will also guiding you step by step on how to design it, as well as how you can effectively use your own journal plus planner, either digitally or printed. Also, if you decide to stick to this video till the end, I have a giveaway for you all. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, before you jumpstart on creating your journal plus planner, let's step back a little bit to really understand what is your purpose behind creating this planner. What will you be using your planner for? To plan meals, or to set your self-care routine, or maybe to plan your budget. Once you have clear purpose, go on Google and search for top best-selling journals and planner in that category. Here, you'll get inspiration, ideas about what types of questions they're adding in that particular type of journal and planner. Also, do check out Pinterest, the best source for inspiration and ideas. Also, search for journal prompts to help you guide what types of questions you should include in your planner plus journal. Once you have clear idea about what exactly do you want to include in your planner, go ahead and write your thoughts down. For me, the purpose of my planner was to have a calendar where I could track dates, events, as well as plan my month in advance. I also wanted a space for to-do list, a monthly planner, quarterly planner, place to set goals, track goals, as well as track my habits and set priorities. For the journal side, I wanted to include space where I could write journal prompts like setting intention for the day with the right affirmation, space to dump my thoughts and feelings, as well as gratitude post. Once this was done, I divided all of my prompts and questions into a timeline, things that I wanted to write daily, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. This brings us to the second step of the process, that's designing. Designing is about how you want your planner and journal to look. So before I design my planner plus journal online, I wanted to make sure I have a clear picture about how exactly it would look. And so I started designing it in a notebook based on the timeline that I had already created. Once this was done, it was time to design the planner online. For this purpose, I was using CANVA, which is a free website. Once you are logged into the website, go into the search bar and write planner. CANVA would give you tons of options to choose from. But for the purpose of this video, I'm creating from scratch, and for that I would select blank. While I was looking for some inspiration for the background of the planner, this design really hit me. And so I wanted to create something similar. Now let's start designing it. I started adding some elements. Now to avoid creating the background over and over again, I simply duplicated the page and then rearranged the elements on that page. Repeat this process for as many pages as you want.
You'll win somehow, so give up on the battle, baby. It's hard, I know. Let the music take over, baby. I know.
To design daily planner, I searched for schedule in the template. And to make the designing process easy, I copied certain aspects from pre-made templates and rearranged them in my desired format.
Let go of your problems and look at all your smiling friends. Jailbreaker, earthquaker. Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more? Don't you know you can settle for more?
Now it's time to prepare our calendar in Canva application. Now similarly like daily planner, for this calendar I searched for monthly planner in the template to get some inspiration. Hopefully now you have clear idea about how to design your own planner in Canva. Now it took me more than 5 hours to create the whole planner plus journal, and to avoid making this video way too long, I'll skip directly to the end. This is the final design of our planner. We have our cover page, daily planner with top priority schedule affirmation, a page for notes, undated calendar. We also have a page for monthly goal where we can set 3 different goals, state our reason why we're setting this particular goal, as well as set action steps. We have habit tracker where we can track 5 different habits throughout the month. A page to write our key ideas, month in review where we review the 3 goals we set earlier, rate it on success level, as well as give reason why we fail or accomplish at that goal. A page to set 3 quarterly goals, quarterly goal review just like monthly goal review. We also have in-depth quarter in review where we give reason of what made it happen, what we should stop doing and continue doing. A page to set yearly goals based on 6 different aspects of life. Year in review similar to quarter in-depth review. And to end the year in review, we have satisfaction level for 6 different aspects of life. Lastly, ending page and index. Now once you have finalized the design of your journal plus planner, download it in PDF print format. Your planner plus journal is ready to use. You can use it digitally like me with GoodNotes application, or you can also get it printed in your nearby store or online. Thanks for watching this video till the end. as appreciation, I am giving away this Planner Plus journal for free. To grab your own planner, the link is in the description box below.